It's Johnny Jones, and I'm here at home today with this Cobra 29 XLR. Now, this is an older model Cobra 29. It's not, of course, a 23 channel. It's not that old, but it's old enough to be made in Taiwan. And these things last quite a long time. In fact, these are the ones you most of the time find with someone's name engraved in the back. In fact, this one has someone's name engraved in the back. They last so long, people will just put their initials or they'll carve their name in the back, and they'll use them for 15 years, you know. So I got this for $20, and I thought that was a decent price considering CB prices lately are going insane. In fact, online, you're not going to get a Cobra for $20. You go on eBay, you might get one for $30, but you're not getting it for $20. So, but it worked. So that's a big reason why I got it. $20, it works. I'm happy with that. I like it. And, of course, every time I buy a new CB radio, I get to review it for you guys. And it brings new people into the channel that have this model, that want to know about it. Or you know, it's eye candy. Not necessarily this one, is it? Nah, I might have to give this one a paint job. In fact, that's the idea I have behind it, is a swirl paint job. But that's another idea and a different video entirely. Today I wanted to go over just some of the features and if it works or not, and which it does. I already told you that, but I didn't expect the dimmer to work, but the dimmer works. You can see there. That's a good thing. That means either someone didn't have it all the way up all the time, or it's just a really, really good circuit. Because a lot of times you find them burn out or something. It could just be how well it's built. Like I said, it is an older radio, so, but it does work. In fact, let's go ahead and see if we can hear someone on here. The SWR does work too. The SWR meter, calibration meter. Let me talk about that first. So you have this high cut filter, which, if you can tell, does quite a bit. Of course, the PA works. Noise blankery and all that sort of stuff, right? Boy, don't you love the CB band. See, calibration. Let's see. Calibration works there. The knobs are a little bit weird because it's been setting so long. In fact, it's been setting so long that this meter didn't work when I first got it. And all I did was sit here on the calibration mode and tap the meter while I did that, and it started swinging fine again. So, and then the SWR works. So, there you go. Dynamic all the way up. RF gains all the way up. So, let's try to get a contact if we can. Brake for radio check 15. Brake. You saw the meter want to stick there. I can't hear him very well. Let's go 17. Brake for radio check 17. Brake. Sometimes that hurts you instead of helps you. Alright, I got a better idea. Now let's see if they can hear me. Brake for radio check. Brake. Can I get a radio check 15? Radio check 15? This antenna blows. Hey, I appreciate that radio check. I'm just testing out one of these old Cobra 29 XLRs. Just making sure it's working. It's an old I think early 80s model. So just making sure it's still kicking. I appreciate that. Have yourself a good night. Well, we got ourselves a contact. Meter's working great now. All I have to do is tap it a few times and key the mic. Did not have to take it out, so that's great. The radio doesn't look good, but it doesn't have to, because as far as I'm concerned, as long as it's working, it doesn't have to look good. That's just the way I am, low maintenance. Anyways, I did have to use a power mic to get a contact, and that's because I'm on a horizontally polarized dipole. It's not great for CB communications that's most of the time vertically polarized. But hey, we got a contact, it's working. The dimmer works, all the buttons work. The pots are a little bit rusty, but you just twist them back and forth and they start working again. This thing's been sitting somewhere for a while, and it's a champion. And you gotta love the old radios, you really do. I have a soft spot for them. So, $20 is not bad for this. I'm really happy with it. I will quote my friend Tater in saying, "What a deal." This is Johnny Jones. I'm here at home, and I'll see you later.